SOUN continues to look weak, and honestly the chart is losing levels faster than I'd like to see. Every bounce has been sold and buyers haven't been able to sustain momentum for very long. The key support now sits around 6.05 while resistance remains up near 6.79. For me, the most important thing is whether SOUN can reclaim that resistance level. If it can't, then the path of least resistance probably stays lower. Right now, I'm not seeing enough evidence to get bullish. The setup isn't broken beyond repair, but confirmation is missing. I'd rather wait for buyers to take control again instead of guessing where support might hold. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.